Hi there, Josh here from Interact with 3 quick tips on how to write the best possible questions for your lead generation quiz. These tips will help you write questions that get people to take your quiz, finish the quiz, and then end up opting in because they help you build rapport throughout the questions. So tip number 1, write as if you were actually talking to a person. Keep yourself honest here. So if you read your quiz out loud and it sounds awkward, if you were actually sitting in front of somebody and asking that question, then you might want to swap it out a little bit and write it as if you were saying it to somebody in real life. That's tip number 1. Tip number 2, have 5 to 10 quiz questions. So you don't want to be under 5 because your quiz won't seem real, and also you're not going to have enough questions to make it real in terms of the logic on the back end. So you want to have at least 5, but less than 10 because around 10 is where people will start to drop off if they are getting bored and things like that. So we start to see a drop off around 10. Tip number 3, for the answer choices of your quiz questions, write them in the way that people would actually respond to you. So a good way to test this is to just do it in real life. Ask people your quiz questions and see how they respond. Then write the responses as people actually say them to you. Then when someone is taking your quiz and they're looking at the answer choices, they'll think that you're in their mind somehow or something like that, because you're going to be saying exactly what they would have said, and they're like, oh wow, this quiz really understands me. And that's what leads to the beginning of a connection, a relationship, which is what a quiz is really for, is for building a connection between you and your potential customer using the quiz in an automated way. So those are the 3 quick tips on how to write the best possible quiz questions.